Mythical creatures around the world. Mythical creatures appear in every culture around the world. These are special animals that play an important role in a country's history and traditions. Let's take a look at a couple of interesting mythical creatures. Australia's bunyip is a creature from an Aboriginal myth. It lives near rivers and lakes and eats people. There are different descriptions of the bunyip. Some people say it has a large body with scales like a snake's and with tusks like a walrus. Other people say it is like a big snake with a horse's mane. There are lots of other weird versions too. You can see the bunyip on some Australian stamps. There are many myths about magical horses. In Kazakhstan, there is the myth of the kanati. It has the body of a horse and the wings of a giant bird. The kanati can fly really fast and it is very big and strong. They are good friends to humans and they often help people who are in trouble. You can see two golden kanatis on the national emblem of Kazakhstan. What other mythical creatures do you know about? Are they similar to the bunyips or the kanati? Are they friendly or dangerous?